If you are operating a wood-fired fixed-grate boiler that does not meet environmental standards, this video is for you. Is there a solution to bring fixed-grate boilers into compliance without replacing the entire technology? The answer is yes, and DIVI has done it. Here is a real case showing how DIVI fully resolved emissions from a wood-fired fixed-grate boiler. In this video, I share a real project directly implemented by DIVI, a 5-ton-per-hour wood-fired boiler using dry, high-quality waste wood from the factory itself. However, despite the good fuel quality, the plant still faced a serious issue. CO emissions exceeded the limits specified in QCVN 19:2009 of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, a situation commonly encountered at many industrial plants. In this project, DIVI commits to receiving payment only after the system meets environmental standards. We confidently stand by this promise. When DIVI says it can be done, it will be done. During the survey, we found that besides CO emissions, the boiler also produced particulate matter in the flue gas. However, the dust was already fairly well treated by the existing water spray tower. Although the heat transfer efficiency was not optimal, the dust concentration still met permissible limits, an encouraging point. In practice, dust control for fixed-grate boilers is not complex. It only requires proper arrangement of 2 standard dust filtration stages. First is the dry dust cyclone. Second is the wet dust collection system, commonly known as a venturi scrubber. Importantly, the scrubbing water must be clean. Dirty water cannot clean flue gas, just as washing your face with dirty water only makes it dirtier. Many companies avoid changing the water to save costs, which is why the exhaust remains dark despite having a treatment system. Returning to the core issue of high CO emissions, the plant requires CO concentrations to be below 650 milligrams per cubic meter in accordance with QCVN 19:2009. To reduce CO, the key is to first understand the 3 root causes behind its formation. The first cause is fuel moisture. The wetter the fuel, the higher the CO emissions. In this case, the wood was dry, so this factor was eliminated. The second cause is the air-fuel ratio. Both excess air and insufficient air can increase CO levels. In manually fed fixed-grate boilers, this ratio is difficult to control. Uneven fuel feeding and delayed airflow adjustment lead to incomplete combustion, causing high CO. This is the main cause. The third cause is combustion intensity. If the combustion zone temperature does not exceed 800 degrees Celsius, CO levels rise significantly. The old design placed water tubes too close to the grate, cooling the combustion zone and preventing complete combustion. This was the key issue for DIVI to begin system modifications. The first solution was to raise the furnace, move the water tubes out of the combustion zone, and add refractory and insulation to increase the combustion temperature. As a result, fuel burned more completely and the exhaust became cleaner. The second solution was to install an automatic conveyor-based fuel feeding system integrated with a backfire prevention mechanism to ensure safety. As a result, fuel is supplied evenly, continuously, and stably. The third solution was to integrate VFDs and PLC control to synchronize the forced draft fan, induced draft fan, and conveyor speed, allowing the system to automatically adjust capacity based on demand while maintaining an optimal combustion ratio. During the retrofit, DIVI installed a temporary 1.5-ton boiler to avoid production interruption. All activities were executed in a structured. After completion, the system was commissioned and emissions were tested by an independent unit appointed by the factory. The measurement results showed that all parameters were well below the allowable limits: low CO levels, compliant dust emissions, and stable system operation. However, due to environmental permit constraints, the water spray tower was installed upstream of the induced draft fan, causing water carryover into the fan, which increases wear, accelerates bearing failure, and raises maintenance costs. I always recommend, when conditions allow, installing the spray tower downstream of the induced draft fan to protect equipment and extend system lifespan. This is how DIVI resolved emissions issues for wood-fired fixed-grate boilers without changing core technology or heavy investment, by addressing the root causes with the right solutions. For a complete solution, contact DIVI at +849 4248 8818. DIVI is honored to support you in efficiency, safety standards. Thank you for watching.